Welcome to Kramer booth at ISDEF Israel 2017, and I want to welcome you and learn more about the AV solutions that Kramer offer with high functionality, usability, and the highest security level available today with the protection profile version 3 in the market. Kramer keeps the usability for the user and enhance the security level by securing the AV, which is unsecured today. We are offering secured solutions for control room, for meeting rooms, and for the user desktop application. We are welcoming you to come and learn more about the Kramer Secure solution at Kramer booth at ISDEF and on Kramer website www.kramerav.com.